everybody! I am in the island ocean. Right now I am on the sand relaxing with my sunglasses and the sun is shining so bright and I'm just having a good time. But let me show you around. So I'm on the sand right now, but if you look below you'll see the ocean right down here. I'm gonna go take a dip in the ocean. Take off my socks, roll up my pants, and ooh, it's cold. Oh, it feels so good. Splashing around, jumping. Ah, nice and refreshing. Now let me show you. On this side of the ocean is the forest. Come with me, I'll show you my forest. We're in the jungle. What might you see in the jungle? Hear that? And then over here, on the other side of the ocean, is the mermaid lagoon. Swim back in the ocean, and on the other side is a whole library. Let me go get a book. Walking through the ocean. Walking back through the ocean. I got one of my favorite books, The Giving Tree. I'm gonna come back over here in the sand and read my book. Thank you for letting me show you my map and the island ocean. Can't wait to see yours. Bye.